Hello everyone, myself Gauragir Jolikar and she is my friend Annavi. We are from class 7A.
We are from Signet Public School, New Delhi, and today we are performing project of terraforming Mars.
Challenge 1, Atmosphere. 4 billion years ago, Mars had a suitable atmosphere and water was there. But because of the UV rays of the sun, atmospheric gases broke down and then the oceans. Now Mars is a dry barren island, but we can terraform it. First challenge is to make an atmosphere. We know that water is there in the frozen form of polar ice caps, and some of the gases such as oxygen and other gases are there in the form of the Martian rocks. For this, to release those gases, we need a laser which can melt the surface of the Mars. We need a laser twice powerful as the strongest laser on the Earth. That laser can use the solar energy through the solar panels and release the laser beam, by which surface of the Mars will be melted and the gases will be released. As there will be so much lava on the surface of the Mars, evaporation process will happen. Steam will form to clouds and then rain will come down, by which Mars will a cold planet. And then we have 100% oxygen and 0.2% other gases. This atmosphere is not breathable, it is flammable. So we need to add nitrogen gas to it. For this, we can make a machine which can use human waste and create it into a nitrogen gas. So our atmosphere challenge 1 will be completed. Now challenge 2, biosphere.
Making biosphere on Mars is very difficult task, but we have to do it. Probably we will start with seeding our young oceans with phytoplankton. It is a kind of a acid by which bacteria germinates, then by fish, by shark and by whales. If this cycle will continue, the life in ocean will thrive. Now we need sand to survive on Mars, but all the surface of Mars is covered with ashes and lava. So first of all, we have to convert the big stones to the smaller ones. But how? If we will try to do it manually, we will need thousands of years. But we don't have that much time. So it is better to use big laser beams which we have used previously. We have to use them directly on ground, by which the stones will contrast and they will form to the smaller one. Now we have to add water in it and glue a big form. Now we will try to plant the trees which were present on early Earth when volcanic eruption were happening. If we will do it, our challenge 2 biosphere will be complete. Challenge 3, long temperature.
We can go to the Mars now, but we need to think about our future. As we know that Mars core does not produce magnetic field, so we don't have any protection through the solar wind. So we need to make an artificial magnetic field which can protect us from the solar wind. We can create a huge umbrella made of a magnet and we will place it far away from Mars. It will protect us from the solar winds, by which we have an artificial magnetic field. By this, our terraforming Mars project is completed. Thank you.